Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for native speakers. If it's the first time you get to watch me, subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me this page. Let's get started. Today we have a new class, a new episode, but this will be in vocabulary in Arabic. We're going to take any vocabulary, okay, and put this into sentence, and this is the best way if you want to learn Arabic in short time. So let us then to start. Do you know what this? This is in Arabic, it's called bait. Bait. So if I want to ask this, so if you want to fix this word inside your brain or mind, then you have then to put this into sentences or in sentences. First, I'm going to ask, what is this in Arabic, okay, with two types of questions, and I'm going to answer. Listen to me then. ما هذا ما هذا ما in Arabic language that means what هذا this ما هذا so the answer هذا بيت هذا بيت The second type of question if you want to ask what this in Arabic language, you can say هذا بيت at the beginning of هذا this instead of ما هذا بيت هذا bait. The answer is going to be with two types of answers, نعم or لا. نعم, I mean yes, and لا, no. So let me then to explain more. هذا بيت, نعم هذا بيت, نعم هذا بيت. Let's then to take another examples. Do you know what this? This is called مفتاح. Key. مفتاح. So let me then to ask this. ما هذا The answer هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. The second type of questions. أهذا مفتاح؟ أهذا مفتاح؟ نعم هذا مفتاح. نعم هذا مفتاح. Then today we just studied two vocabulary and we apply this in sentence, and we just know how to ask ما هذا or what this in two types of Arabic language. So I'm going to give you a food for thought or the homework, and let me then to see this homework in the comment below. Ask in this vocabulary. This called bab. Bab, door. Ask this and let me see in the comment below. And this is the end of our episode. I'm going to see you at the next class. Assalamu alaikum.